Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to boomerang on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to boomerang on Instagram, first open up your Instagram. But before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot guys, and thank you for that. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app. And on this interface guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see the plus icon available for us. Tap on that plus icon and you'll be on the section of Instagram, where at the bottom of the screen you can see we're on the live section. Swipe that to the left until you come to the story, and on the story guys, at the left side you can see there are a bunch of options including the boomerang. So in order to proceed, let's tap on that boomerang, and after that tapping on the boomerang mode will be activated, and from here you will be only able to make a short video like 2 or 3 seconds, not up to 10 or 30 seconds, but guys only are 2 or 3 seconds. So in order to proceed, after you have enabled the boomerang mode, tap on the camera icon at the middle of the screen and shoot your video. And you can see guys, I just shooted the video of my keyboard, and this way it will process and your boomerang will be created. And you can see guys, this is a boomerang, and this is how to do a boomerang on Instagram, and you can share this to your Instagram story if you want, however you may like. And with that being said guys, this is how to boomerang on Instagram, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.